Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Easter egg in Fish It Roblox new Easter event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to go to the Easter Island and you need to get peep item. To get the peep item, you just need to do fishing in this area. Okay, and you will be able to get the peep items. Let me show you the item guys. Oops, wait, I'm going to open my items. Okay, this is how the peep looks like, and you need to have at least 30 peeps to exchange the peep for Easter egg. Okay, just do fishing. Once you get 30 peeps, you can go to the egg machine, and I'm going to show you where you can find the egg machine. Okay, wait, the egg machine is here guys. Oh, wait, I forget the location, but it's at the Easter Island. Okay, I remember. You can go to this bridge and you're going to go to this location. Then you will find egg machine and we can exchange the peeps for an Easter egg. You can click on use egg machine. Okay, I have 35 peeps and I'm going to exchange for one Easter egg. Okay, and it will hatch in 1 hour and the egg will follow you guys anywhere you go, but you need to wait for 1 hour to hatch this egg. And once the egg is hatched, you will be able to get rewards. For example, the coins or something else. Okay guys, and that's how we can get Easter egg in Fish It Roblox new Easter update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.